Had the doctor ever prescribed some medicine and told you to take all of that, but actually you don't take it all? Or you go to see the doctor asking for the injection in order to cure your illness? Do you know that all of these actions are the first step of the world problem, which is called antibiotic resistance? Antibiotic resistance is the ability of a microbe to resist the effect of medication that one could successfully treat the microbe. In Thailand, the ratio of people die from antibiotic resistance to the population is 28.3 to 100,000. This ratio is 6 times higher than America and Europe. If this problem occurs in shrimp farming, what will happen? Only EMS in shrimp destroy the economy, value around 50 trillion baht. Thailand was lost the first rank of the world's biggest shrimp export. So if we figure out how to prevent the outbreak in shrimp, we might help our country achieve the previous positions. Anti-lipopolysaccharide factor isoform 3 or ALFPM3 is antimicrobial peptide found in immune system of shrimp. ALF will bind to bacterial cell wall, leading to the leakage of the cell, and it will eventually die. So we need to consider whether ALF can be used properly by using E. coli. From previous study, they induced E. coli wild type became resistant to ALF. The results show that there are mutations on 4 genes and 5 positions on non-coding regions, and we decided to continue our experiment in order to confirm this result. We confirm mutant based with PCR using specific primer pair tracking the mutation regions. Then we analyzed the sequence and found that DDLB gene lead to shortened protein and mutant Q6 genes contribute to chain of amino acid. From previous study, DDLB genes express enzyme that link to D-alanine into D-alanine. It is cell wall precursor ending result in vancomycin can bind and inhibition of cell wall synthesis. But in mutant strain, this mechanism not work. This mutation was once found in Staphylococcus aureus and Q6 genes product that give the signal to add phosphate group to lipid A. Therefore, LPS is modified. One mutated polymyxin cannot bind to LPS as same as it did before. This mutation was found in Elomonas hydrophila. Then wild-type DDLB genes and mutant Q6 genes were cloned into PBAC mix hit A vector overexpression and test ALF resistance activity. We conclude that wild-type DDLB genes and mutant Q6 genes related to ALF-PM3 resistance. The knowledge of ALF-PM3 resistance mechanism allow us to assess the risk of developing antimicrobial resistance in shrimp feed and develop the better ALF to use in shrimp farm in the future.